The developers of ChatGPT made the AI to help and benefit humans. However, it has become more powerful than we can imagine, and instead of benefit, there is a fear of it replacing human jobs. In a recent survey done by ResumeBuilder.com on 1,000 business leaders, around half US companies which implemented ChatGPT in their business have now replaced its workers with AI. And not only in the US, but around the globe, employees across industries fear losing their jobs due to the ChatGPT. To make things more concerning, OpenAI even launched the advanced version of ChatGPT, GPT-4. However, the company said that AI chatbot cannot replace humans, and is built for people. Yet to test the capabilities of the new advanced GPT-4, a Twitter user asked the AI itself on whom it can replace.